that door, but make sure that all doors, windows, and blinds are closed. Ooh.
What's up, y'all? So look, I ain't vlog on the way here. And look, man, if I had a vlog on the way here, man, y'all would have been so upset. Cause like we ran into like 17,000 accidents. We was in traffic for 24 hours longer than what we should have been. What else happened, baby? Everything? Just everything. Everything happened. So we made it here safe.
Found some friends.
We found some friends that was having problems with their stuff. Shout out to Baby Puncher on Instagram. My name Baby Puncher. The door locks itself back.
Man, look, I need that kind of gravel.
Shout out to him, man. I hope he got his.
Charlie. I gotta be on point.
I hope he got his truck fixed, man. I'm gonna hit him up to see. Hope he did though. I followed him as far as I could. Know what I'm saying, to make sure he got himself together. But man, baby over here talking about Charlie. She got scared because the door locked itself.
Look, Charlie got a thing. You hear me? Charlie little thing. You hear me? Stop playing.
But this right here what we got, y'all. Got us old Airbnb with the pool. Got a lizard over there in the screen over there. Feel like it's gonna rain. It's kind of cool right now though, so I ain't finna jump in that water tonight. But I hit it tomorrow though. But yeah, got us a pool, man. Nice look. I got pool rules. Don't duck the rules. Nice little Airbnb though. You got a grill over there, so let me see. See what they got on this grill. Cause this grill clean. Nah, it ain't clean. It ain't clean, but it ain't bad. I clean it. I gotta wash my car tomorrow. But yeah. So this is what we got. We might fire the grill up tomorrow. Wanna fire the grill up tomorrow, baby? Yeah. So what we about to do now, man, is go and get us something to eat. It's a nice little Airbnb though. I'll definitely be back. I'll definitely be back to this one, cause this right here, this cost the same price as my one did in Dallas, and it was a 2-bedroom with no pool. It was a 2-bedroom. Garage, got a garage. No, I had to have a garage because we got back here. Let me see how you do this. Yeah, man, we got bay up in here. So, man, we had to have a garage, Jack. Had to. Yes, sir. So, yeah. And this is a 3-bedroom. I don't know what this switch right there for. But yeah. Turn this light on. But yeah, it's all good. So like I said, we about to go get us something to eat. And yeah. Get y'all in a minute, man. I guess we'll sit here and talk for a second, man. Baby wanna buy her a hookah. A little hookah something. I'm like, don't too. Make sure that stuff ain't going in your drink.
What, the fire?
Yeah.
That's why they ain't playing.
Around my fluid out there. I too. Yeah, man, but we out here in Orlando, man, for the classic, man. I had to get baby out here so she can understand why I be wanting to come out here.
I hope it ain't because of the traffic.
It's definitely not because of the traffic. The light done got hot.
bed.
I heard something.
His booty out.
So? Water right here. Why are you looking at my booty? Nasty?
It's my booty.
Anyway. So probably tomorrow, man. It's supposed to be raining tomorrow too though, but we're gonna go and I'm gonna take her down to Magic Mile. And once it start raining, we're gonna go down to Magic Mile, see what's up. But yeah, man, we out here on this good old hen. Y'all look and see, look what we got, man. Sitting out here. Got a pool, jacuzzi. Alright, we can step out the living room. Come out here and chill. What you see, baby? Are you looking at the pool rules? They got the pool rules there. Or we can step out the bedroom, man. You know what I'm saying? Come here and chill. Grill right there. Got the lawn equipment. You know what I'm saying? Lawn chairs. Oh, it's real sexy out here, man. I like it. I like this joint, baby. You like this joint?
It's nice.
This joint fine. Got me a good old stick. She got a hookah. I think I just blew some ashes in my eye.
It's a nice little $25 hookah, y'all. I ain't pulling like I got one too. That's cool.
I really should have got y'all some footage in traffic though, man, so y'all could see what was going on today. Big shout out to, like I said earlier,
Aggravated.
Baby Puncher. Y'all was definitely aggravated because it was a wreck like every 5 miles.
But it wasn't a wreck though.
But it was never a wreck. It was just, I believe it was a wreck. It was just, I don't know.
People were still piled up, or slowing down. I don't understand. We complain about the traffic in Memphis.
Man, hey, look, Atlanta traffic, North Memphis traffic got nothing on what we experienced today. I don't know what it was, but it wasn't like that last time I came though. This is definitely a dog dish. It's gonna be an ashtray thing. I clean it out, she'll never know. This is a smooth, fresh cigar. Yeah. But anyway, man, we finna enjoy our little peaceful, serene setting right now. I might just go and hit the pool right now just for the hell of it. My wife probably gonna tell me nah. But
I ain't tell you it is now.
you ain't gonna tell me nah? I'll hit this motherfucker butt naked.
What you gotta do, buddy?
So you're gonna put my butt naked butt on YouTube?
You gonna be sick.
You gonna take care of me?
viral.
You gonna take care of me?
Damn right I'm take care of your ass. Well, go on do it for the team. Say you wanna go viral.
I don't know about
Sex sales.
I don't want my sex to sell. But anyway, man.
I guess it's a little weird.
We'll catch y'all tomorrow, man. When we get out. Whenever we decide to get out. Yeah. Yo! We out here eating breakfast poolside. Man, we ain't never ate breakfast poolside, bro. Ever. Poolside with baby done made some eggs, French toast, sausages. We got some orange pineapple mimosas by the pool. Come on, man. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. Your wife what? Huh? Man, stop playing with me, man. Hey, man. Joke's on you, player. But I'm finna enjoy this. I just got done changing the tire on the truck, man. I had a nail in the tire about this long with the head still on it. I don't know how, the head of the nail was in there first. The screw was in the tire first, so I had to pull that out of the tire. I plugged it, but I knew it wasn't gonna stay, so I just went ahead and changed and put the spare on. We'll deal with that later.
Okay.
Yes, that's good. So, finna go ahead and eat. I don't want to speak too soon, but I'm gonna say it anyway. I love coming out here. I'm chilling out here because I don't know if it's because of this screen out here, but it ain't no mosquitoes out here.
Time to put baby suits on. So have my swimsuit on.
You don't have to cut the camera off, you put the swimsuit on.
It ain't that bad. It ain't that nasty.
I ain't gonna say nothing. But yeah. Let me go and eat. Like I said, ain't no mosquitoes out here, man. I love that. So I can eat and not be doing all that. So, but anyway, I'm go ahead and knock this out, man. And hit y'all back. We probably won't get out in traffic, man. So I'm hit y'all back. I like how this set up. That ain't no punch. What kind of tree is that?
Y'all see what she got on now. And that ain't it, man. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Watch the trailer.
It's not focusing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know. Thing on it now. What's up with y'all, man? Y'all all right? Motherfucker clean hell. Who's on this up? Is your junk? Clean the motherfucker, boy. He just got wood in the back. He's special. Yeah, put the motherfucker in. Roll that motherfucker, yeah. A plastic junk though, you know. Yeah, I don't want to hear him out, man. Man, y'all niggas digging up my bed, man. Playing with them whack ass bowling balls, man. Well, see, put a basketball goal in the back of that motherfucker, dunk on your ass.
How the hell you do that?
Look at that, there we go. See, that what I was just gonna say something, but I was like, nah, I ain't gonna say shit.